Alright, so I'm gonna go up on the road. I'm actually using the GoPro Hero 9 Black for the vlogging for today. Yeah. Yo, the AC messed up the damn screen. The AC messed up the screen. So like there's a car show later today, which I shall be going. Woo.
Get one puppy. I just have one beer that came out from my
I never know, but I never know if you're not going to go on down here.
Mother!
Dog is so loud.
I'm sorry. The man just blew him on and him drove out of his skin.
Man so loud. Yeah, beat car. The amount of noise the man them make. Be your vibes, be your vibes.
I'm like
Alright, so I'm gonna know how the audio sound, but nah lie, the place hot. Can't wait for reaching the mall.
no, because
Need to wear slippers. I can't wear the shoes behavior every time, you see me? So I need to get the slippers.
Man, I just got a breeder.
Place look nice.
The reason why I spend up with that,
You see the
want
sky?
to be fully vacuumed.
The American sky.
To my name.
Because Jamaican sky not look like this. But I always tell people that the Jamaican sky not look nothing like this.
Bed or stuff like that. So they cheap, and then now we get I think it was like 20 grand or something like that. So I wrap that up. And then
So the store there.
and then I come back out.
I'm not on the mask. Not on the mask, no.
No, I think that's the
Alright, some grab them here. So we get cracks with 2 for 1 clearance side. Any day I shop in the States, I always go to clearance. Remember me tell you that clearance are the right place to go. Or clearance. Make sure you go there.
with our test
Car show. Yo, them cars they look sick. Jeep. Yo, Jano, this look sick. Ah, at ya, sick. Machine. Trims them man. Inside, nice. Subaru people them. Yo, Jano, this looks sick. You know, so these are my type of vibe, bike life. Engine a big still. So inside I'd stay. Old school. Yeah, I don't really have much ideas like detailed about cars, but I just know them are hot. And all this is sick. When even see the owner of them.
I'll pay somebody to do it. I'll pay you the grand above the bus my ass. And it's really not that hard. It's two pieces. Get the drum out, get the motor, do a drive over.
Everything clean, man. Come on.
Every step. I've rebuilt twice in motor, created pieces, 46. Yeah. What it is that paint. It's just so nice and well. I tell you what, this will do. Yeah. I'm good.
Woo. Ah, nice. Nice. Look, it looks like you just drove it from the factory. Super clean.
Thank you. Hold it now.
Outside. Machine. Yo, this clean different, listen, you know. One rims them. Supra. Clean differently. Yo, you see for the Jamaica, this would look so clean. Not if I speak of dirt, yo, this is super clean. Inside out. Read the next machine, yeah. Go inside the engine clean, man. Come like money washes every time. Oh. So it just clean. Angle, bro. The car them does clean differently. Over them does it just clean. It's just clean. Well, apparently I'm late. I never know that them gonna have a car show. You see me, but just get peace out like a little piece, cause me say they wicked like enough people there, but it is what it is. My type of vehicle. Bro, this is super sick. McLaren. Boom. Look at the damn dispatch, bro. Yo. Look at the damn dispatch. Outside. Ooh. Ferrari. The birthday means speed. The Chevrolet, sick. The ready I mean speed. You got your old school Benz here. Pretty clean. A pretty clean Benz. When you talk about grung, watch mama on the back. Hola mama. When you talk about grung, this is where you mean. When you talk about grung, this is what I mean. When you talk about grung, this is grung level. This is grung level. Look how the thing low, man. Bro, my hand can't fit underneath. When you talk about grung level, this is what me talk about. My hand can't fit underneath it. Fam, my hand can't fit underneath it. I sweat you out your hot still. This looks like someone coming on a movie. Yo. When them say old school, these are wooden, these are real old school. Drink Coca-Cola. On them rims, man. Inside of this, look, dog, no AC in the this, you know. That's how make you know.
Music started with it. Yeah, that's all.
Sounds so sweet. Party bus. We have the party bus right here. I don't know the thing set. So we have the party bus right there, so look at the party bus look.